Hello, welcome to Liagle Tapeless drywall finishing. I'm very excited today and I'm going to show you something amazing about Tapeless drywall finishing. So this is a gap about 2 inches wide and more than ½ inch deep. So usually with a gap like this, I use hot mud with mesh tape to fix this. But this time I just used pre-mixed tapeless mud, which is fibers mixed with pre-mixed taping mud. So I just filled this gap, and I did this last Monday, and then I've been away for a week. Now it's totally dry. And what I was really amazed is when it is totally dried, there's no crack, not even a hairline crack, just no crack on this joint, and it is very solid. So I'm very happy about this result. So I'll let you take a closer look, and then I'm going to give it one more coat of pre-mixed tapeless mud. Let's take a look. You can see it shrinked a little, but there's no crack. See, just no crack. Usually, even a gap smaller than that, you see like this one, you can see the hairline cracks. We consider that pretty normal. But this one, there's a reason for such a gap so deep, but it just didn't crack. And there's a reason for there's no crack on such a joint. And I'm so excited today because I have already figured out why. The reason for no cracking on this joint, and I know how to improve the combination of the fibers, so the taping mud is going to be even better. So that's why I'm so happy, so excited. So I'm just gave the second coat to the gap, and you already can see the result is even better than I thought. It's much better than I expected.